Welcome to our product presentation featuring the Tooltos 100A Jewelry Pulse Spot Welder, the ultimate solution for fast, precise, and efficient soldering of precious metals, platinum, gold, silver, etc. Designed to enhance your jewelry making craft. Simple steps. Connect the welding clamp to the negative output terminal. Clamp the tungsten needle on the welding base. Connect the welding base to the positive output terminal. Connect the foot pedal. Connect the power supply. Be careful to check for voltage matching. And then turn on the power switch. Adjust the power knob, divided into coarse and fine adjustments. Easily adjust the output power to suit the size of the wire, providing flexibility and precision for various welding tasks. Clamp the workpiece with welding and align the workpiece interface with the tungsten needle. Depress the foot switch with your foot. Remove foot. Spot welding is complete. Utilizing the plasma high-frequency discharge principle, this welder forms a molten pool in the metal weld instantly, resulting in seamless welding points and sturdy joints. This welder is compact yet powerful. Plus, it comes complete with essential accessories including a foot switch, power cable, welding clip, tungsten needle, handheld welding torch, and tungsten needle holder. Experience the precision and efficiency of the Tooltos 100A Jewelry Pulse Spot Welder and elevate your jewelry craftsmanship to new heights. Order yours today and unlock endless possibilities.